I'm Dave Tarnish, and I'm an automation engineer here at Properly Works.
And I'm Lyle Pavia. I'm the district manager for FANUC Robotics.
Today, we'd like to give you a little insight into the power pairing between the EasyDash and the FANUC CRX line of collaborative robots. So you might be wondering, what is an EasyDash? Well, it's this piece of hardware right here. It's a simple visual interface built to make robot systems easier to understand and operate. It's designed for manufacturing teams of all experience levels, especially where automation expertise might be limited. It provides real-time insights into cycle times, robot status, part counts, and more. It helps operators and managers make faster, smarter decisions with visual data right at their fingertips on the HMI. And it's built to reduce downtime, speed up troubleshooting, and support proactive maintenance. That's a little bit about the EasyDash. And now, let's go to Lyle to tell us a little bit about the FANUC.
Thanks, Dave. FANUC robots are engineered for reliable, high-performance automation across general-purpose tasks, ideal for applications like machine tending, assembly, inspection, and material handling. FANUC is known for durability, precision, long-term ROI, depending on the application, and we're a trusted name in automation worldwide. EasyDash complements the FANUC robot by making them more accessible and more operator-friendly.
Thanks for the insight, Lyle. A lot of the reasons you mentioned are the reasons we love working with FANUCs. Let's talk about the way that EasyDash integrates with a robot that might already be on your site. With EasyDash, we have a FANUC module pre-programmed into the system, and with the package, we include engineering hours to tailor it to your specific cell needs. Our team will come into your site and integrate it into your existing robot, or if you don't have a robot, then we will set up the robot and the EasyDash to work together. Since we've already done the work to make the EasyDash work with the FANUC robot, then integration on-site can take as little as 15 minutes. Once it's on-site, the HMI can display a dashboard that can display any kind of information that your operators might need while the process is running. As a work cell interface, it takes the more complicated teach pendant out of the operator's hands and gives a very straightforward interface so that they can operate the cell as needed during production.
A good example of this is a successful application we had at a local customer where we turned a multi-point application into a very simple visual cue for the customer to work with.
And with the flexibility built into the system, you can have one robot running multiple different parts, multiple different jobs, and like Lyle said, anything that the FANUC can do, the EasyDash can help do. If low volume high mix is a problem that you struggle with, the EasyDash can help you with that. If you don't have an operator monitoring the cell, the EasyDash does have email and text capabilities to send any preventative maintenance notifications or downtime alerts. Anything that might go wrong with the cell, you can have right at your fingertips wherever you are in your factory. This helps companies move from reactive to proactive workflows with real-time data visibility.
Whether you already have robots in your facility or you're new to robotics and implementing robots, it's perfect for small to medium-sized manufacturers and specifically good for new robotics users. The EasyDash simplifies operator interaction with FANUC robotics, reducing training time and minimizing risk. It enhances the productivity and accountability by keeping data visible and accessible for the customer, for operators, and for management. It pairs especially well with applications with frequent changeovers or high-mix production or applications. Personally, the EasyDash has helped with navigation from step 1 to step 2 in most applications, where in most cases you have to learn a little more unique function on the tablet. In this case, it's going to make it more universal.
And that's great for training new operators because you don't have to teach them the whole pendant. You can just teach them a few screens on the EasyDash. And then you can still have your higher up operators, your engineers, familiar with the teach pendant when you need to get in to make the changes necessary. If you've ever had trouble with operators being able to change code without approval, then the EasyDash provides another layer of security to prevent them from making those kinds of changes. And if you already have an existing multi-point system with a more complex communications network, the EasyDash easily facilitates condensing that down to a single point of communication with the FANUC to ease the changeover from that system to a robot integrated system. Overall, the EasyDash takes a large cell with a lot of integrated components and reduces the complexity of making them all work together in concert, while unlocking the full potential of using your FANUC robot in that cell. Together, EasyDash and FANUC offer a cost-effective, scalable solution for manufacturers looking to modernize and simplify their operations. If it seems like a giant leap to go from your current process to an automated process, then we here at Properly Works are happy to work with our partners and our power pairings to take that giant leap and turn it into a very manageable first step.
At FANUC, we build robots you can rely on. And when you pair this with a tool like EasyDash, you get a system that's not just powerful, it's practical.
Whether you're new to automation or scaling up, this combo makes it easier to stay productive, informed, and ahead of the game.